Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Robinhood to Coinbase. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we are going just to follow these Robinhood support articles and basically these investing simple articles. And all you need basically to do is just to start transferring your crypto by sending them to your Coinbase account. So basically, to transfer crypto from your Robinhood to Coinbase, first make sure to enable crypto transfer within Robinhood. So simply, you will need just to enable uh, crypto transfer, you will need to verify your identity and add a two-factor authentication to your account. So basically here in account, you will already have your identity that is verified, so you can also be eligible to trade in Robinhood. After that, you can just go to settings, and there in the security and privacy, you can enable the two-factor authentication. And after that you have your crypto transfer enabled, you will be able to send crypto through the crypto banner from here, and then you can just start sending and receiving crypto, etc. And all you need to do is just to uh, send your crypto and transfer your assets and crypto money through your Robinhood to your Coinbase account. So basically, you will need just to already have your Coinbase account, and then when you have your Coinbase account, you have option to skip verification, etc. And then you will start to send and receive crypto, and all you need to do is to send and transfer the crypto from your Robinhood account. So basically, for example, you will go to your uh, crypto, you will find your positions, etc. in your uh, assets. You just go, for example, to uh, here to the Bitcoin, for example, and then you can start sending and receive it through here if you are eligible to transfer crypto through Robinhood. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.